Good morning everyone. Myself Prachi from BSc Chemistry on his final year. My topic for the presentation is defects of Bohr models of atom. Bohr model of atom suffers from the following weaknesses and limitations. First, inability to explain line spectra of multi-electron atoms. Bohr's theory was successful in explaining the line spectra of hydrogen atom and hydrogen-like particles containing single electron only. However, it is failed to explain line spectra of multi-electron atoms. When spectroscopes with better resolving power were used, it was found that even in case of hydrogen spectrum, each line was split up into a number of closely spaced lines called fine structure, which could not be explained by Bohr models of an atom. Second, inability to explain splitting of line in the magnetic field Zeeman effect and in the electric field Stark effect. In the production of line spectra, if the source emitting the radiation is placed in a magnetic field or in an electric field, it was observed that each of the spectral lines split up into a number of lines. The splitting of spectral line in the magnetic field is called Zeeman effect, while the splitting of spectral line in the electric field is called Stark effect. Bohr model of an atom was unable to explain the splitting of the spectral line. Third, inability to explain the three-dimensional model of atom. According to Bohr model of an atom, the electron moves along certain circular paths in a plane. Thus, it gives a flat model of an atom. But now it is well established that the atom is three-dimensional and not flat, had been suggested by Bohr. Fourth one is the inability to explain the shape of the molecule. Now it is well known that in the covalent molecules, the bond have directional characteristics. Atoms are linked to each other in a particular direction and hence they possess definite shape. Bohr model is unable to explain it. Fifth, inability to explain de Broglie concept of dual characters of matter and Heisenberg's uncertainty principles. De Broglie hypothesis. It was suggested by Newton that light is a stream of particles which are photons. In other words, light is corpusculous in nature. However, this concept is failed to explain the phenomena of interference and diffraction. The de Broglie hypothesis states that all material particles such as electron, proton, atom molecules, each piece of chalk, piece of stone are microscopic as well as macroscopic and also possesses dual character. The wave associated with the particle is called particle matter wave or de Broglie wave. The de Broglie relation, the wavelength of wave associated with any material particle was calculated as follows. In case of photon, it is assumed that to have a wave character, its energy is given by E is equal to h nu, whereas the nu is the frequency and h is the Planck constant. If the photon is considered as a particle, its energy is given by E is equal to mc square, where m is the mass and c is the light of speed of velocity. From these both equations, h nu is equal to mc square, mu is equal to c by, as we know mu is equal to c by lambda. Therefore, by solving this, we get lambda is equal to h by mc. Significance of de Broglie equation. Although the de Broglie equation is applicable to all the material object, but it has significance only in the case of microscopic particles. Thank you.